Hello, I'm back again just to make sure that I'm accountable for the total in this Roland Strike. I'm going to just add it up quickly. So let's start. £105 in total. I'll just quickly count that up for you. I have here 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55. So what did I say there? 55. £105. There you have it. Alright, I'm so pleased with that, and I will get that sorted out into a bank bag. Get that sorted out, and that's all done. I'm really happy about that, and at least I have shown you I'm glad that I got to show you the total of my Roland Strike, and I'm swiftly moving on to the new savings challenges that I have got to get organized. Thank you so much for watching. Be kind to yourself now and others. Take care. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.